With what?
Opening that cup. If you need any help, I'll help you. I'll help you open the cup.
No, I'm good.
Okay.
Thank you, though.
I'm just wearing flip-flops.
Daddy, do you need any help?
Yes, I need some kisses. Thank you.
What time do you want to leave?
Walking the hallway. Walking in this living room. Nana,
Yes.
do you need any help?
Help with what?
Anything?
No.
Do you need any kisses and hugs?
I sure do.
In October 1993, 85-year-old Andrew Vlasto was rushed to the hospital after collapsing. Tests indicate the presence
Thank you
of
so much. I needed that.
dangerous system.
How'd you know I needed that?
Because I just wanted to ask.